Okay, so Halloween and some parties going on, and I ordered some stuff. Here's some liquid latex wig, and this I don't need. This is all the fake blood. Then some contact lens, knife, and Chucky costume. But this was too small, so I have to cut it a bit. I think I just use these. I have saved these about 20 years. Never worn these at home. Okay, those were way too dirty, so let's wash them, dry them, cut them, etc. Okay, these are just too stupid looking, too clean, too everything. So maybe I use just these sleeves. I try to make this look like an overall. Cut these off, and then the sleeves, and leave this underneath here. Okay, I'm gonna cut these hands from here and try to connect it with these ones. These are going to be the hair extensions that are stapled to Chucky's head. Some super glue, and then we have this staple. I made it from small nails. Seems to be good, but let's see if it sticks. Let's make 3 of these. I got these from the wig. Okay, I have this, sorry about the noise, I have this picture here about Chucky, and let's try to make sort of similar scars and the stitches. Okay, I need to wait for it to dry. So then I need something here. Let's try this. Let's put few of these staples. Maybe to here, here and there. Let's see if these hold. Okay, let's try this blood. Let's put this at the bottom and then we peel it a bit. Then we put some color and oh, it's the eyebrow. I think that's it for now. Okay, I think it's time for the wig. Let's try to put this excess hair here. I think it's pretty good. I have never ever used a contact lens, so this is going to be fun. Okay, it's in, but I don't see any difference between my eyes. Maybe a little bit, but Bride of Chucky makeup. The party. Very dark here in Finland. I don't know if we are at the right door, but okay. The house. Someone's already dead. This is so cool. Oh my god. Really cool. Is the red room. Read it backwards. If anyone haven't seen Shining, there it is. Good punch. Good punch. When I drink this, I become murderous. This is so good. The tree of shame. And that. Don't open. Dead inside. The man himself. We're at the backyard. Let's see Maija's bar.
Täällä on Maijan baari.
Okay. So that's so close.
Poke.
There was some count for votes, the best costume. So I think I won. I don't know. Let's see.
Chucky, Mortian, Mia. Mikko. Kaikki muut paitsi se roomalaistyttö. Mikko voitti! Onneksi olkoon Mikko! Ja pukukilpailun voittaja on Mikko!
Okay, so I won the best costume prize. There's a grape candle and the tipsy dice. I don't know how this works. There's instructions, I know, yes. Then some candy and the fireball. We drink now. Yes? We drink this. I need to continue with myself. Little boy's life. Little boy's life.